very respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I'm Harshita from class 8B here and going to deliver a speech on UN Day. You know, United Nations Day is celebrated on October 24 of each year. On 24th October in 1945, about 50 countries met in San Francisco, California to form a group of nations who would work together for world peace. The group was called the United Nations, or UN for short. Today, the UN has 193 member states and countries. You know, the idea for the United Nations was first developed when US President Franklin D. Roosevelt met with leaders from other countries to pledge to fight together during the World War II. In total, 26 countries signed this pledge. So if United Nations and its members keep working on the purpose track, the world will be free from hunger and terrorism soon. And we are hoping for the same. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Harshita. The work of UN covers in many areas, but the main 5 areas are: first is maintain international peace and security, second is protect human rights, third is delivers humanitarian aid, fourth is support sustainable development and climate action, fifth is uphold international law. UN is divided into different bodies including the following: first is General Assembly, second is Security Council, third is Economic and Social Culture, fourth is Trusteeship Council, fifth is International Court of Justice, sixth is Secretariat. Currently there are 193 members representing countries from all over the world.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, सभी शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों। प्रत्येक वर्ष 24 अक्टूबर को हम संयुक्त राष्ट्र दिवस मनाते हैं। द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के भयानक दौर के पश्चात विश्व शांति की स्थापना के उद्देश्य से, जो कि राष्ट्रों को ऐसा मंच प्रदान करना है जहां आकर वह अपने मतभेदों को सुलझा सकें एवं विश्व को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेहतर बनाने में प्रयासरत हो सकें। सन 1948 से ही हम 24 अक्टूबर को संयुक्त राष्ट्र दिवस के रूप में मनाते आ रहे हैं। यह यूएन चार्टर्स के जन्म दिवस पर मनाया जाता है, जो कि 1945 से प्रभावी हैं। इस समारोह को मनाने का मुख्य कारण संयुक्त राष्ट्र व उसके इकाइयों द्वारा किए गए निरस्त्रीकरण, युद्ध विराम, वाद विवादों का समाधान जो कि मानव अधिकारों के लिए है, एवं सूखे, प्राकृतिक आपदा में हुए बेघर लोगों की पुनर्स्थापना, शरणार्थी समस्याओं का समाधान इत्यादि की ओर ध्यान आकर्षक करना है। धन्यवाद।
Do you know we are in very special planet? It has an almost 195 countries, which are home of 7.5 billion people, living, walking, eating, sleeping, and of course, facing human argument a lot.
Is there any way we can do to came out from it?
Actually, there is a special body called UN. It was created back in 1945 after the World War II, which was very terrible war.
United Nations is also known as UN, which is created to maintain international peace and security and developing friendly relations among nations.
Yes, Eshti, it also promotes social progress, better living standards, and human rights.
But how they do that?
By trying to make a promise to everyone to give each and every need to live a good life. Shelter, food, medicine, dignity, environment and safety.
Wow, so the UN is kind of club, or it is really a huge club?
Sushant, it is an organization of almost every countries. There are 193 members in total.
So how the United Nations actually do their work?
Well, all the decisions are made by vote, including who will be the President of United Nations. This may be known as Secretary General. Do you know what the Secretary General do?
Yes, Pinky, I know. Secretary General is also known as Chief Administrative Officer of the organization. His work is to identify the problem, to work establishing peace. Their job is to speak all the peoples of the world is showing They come first no matter what the decision is being made.
And what about the kids? Is there any work UN does for us?
Yes, Mohit, in a big way. The United Nations has created a document called UN Convention on the Rights for the Child. Article 24 of the Constitution ensures a prohibition against the employment of children under the age of 14 in factories, mines and other dangerous work.
What are those rights?
Like every kid has right to be safe to learn and play. Article 28 of our Constitution ensures no religious instruction shall be provided in any education institutions.
Wow, Srishti, that means members of United Nations work together to achieve all these topics.
I have one more doubt. Is there any important work done by UN personnel nowadays?
Yes, Mohit. Have you heard COVID-19? The UN is closely monitoring the situation with COVID-19 outbreak.
WHO is working closely with global expert governments and partners to expand scientific knowledge on this new virus, to track the spread and the volumes of the virus, and to provide advice to countries and individuals on measures to protect health and prevent the spread of this outbreak.
Wow, that's great, Nupur. That means United Nations help us in many ways.
Good morning, one and all. I am here to deliver a thank you note. So very firstly, I would like to mention a special thanks to our respected principal ma'am who gives us an opportunity to represent our views. Now I would like to thank our teachers, commenters, Mrs. Shruti Nigam ma'am and Mrs. Lekha Upadhyay ma'am for their entire efforts to make this assembly in an organized way. Now, finally, would like to thank our shining buddies for their commendable presentations. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of them who are to be part of this assembly. Thank you.